In this video, you'll learn how to fix Binance verification failures. This guide will help you navigate the process of resolving issues that prevent successful verification on your Binance account. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the Binance website. Once the page loads, locate the login button, usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Click on this button and enter your account credentials. After logging in, look for the profile icon, which is typically situated in the upper right area. Click on this icon to access your account settings. Next, find a section labeled Verification within your account settings. Click on this option to view your current verification status. Review any messages or notifications regarding your verification failure. Common reasons for failure include blurry images of identification documents or discrepancies in the details you provided. Identifying the specific reason for the failure is crucial for rectifying the issue. After determining the cause of the failure, it's time to correct your information and documents. If any personal details are incorrect, update them in the designated fields. When uploading your identification images, ensure they are clear and well lit. Proper lighting can significantly impact the quality of facial verification. Only use valid and acceptable documents for this process, as invalid documents will lead to further rejections. Once you have made the necessary corrections, you can resubmit your verification request. Look for the button labeled Submit Verification and click on it. After submission, be prepared to wait for a review period. During this time, monitor your notifications for any updates regarding your verification status. If your verification request is repeatedly rejected, consider reaching out to Binance support for further assistance. They can provide additional insights into any persistent issues. And there you have it. Thanks for watching and see you soon.